enhancing the beauty, energy efficiency, and security of your home. Window installation is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. One of the top choices for homeowners seeking high-quality windows is Covington Windows. Covington is known for crafting windows that not only add aesthetic value to your home but also improve its performance and durability. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, installing Covington Windows offers numerous benefits that make them an excellent investment. Here's a closer look at why Covington Windows are a great choice for your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the primary benefits of installing Covington Windows is their ability to improve your home's energy efficiency. In today's world, reducing energy consumption is a priority for many homeowners, both for financial and environmental reasons. Covington windows are specifically designed to provide better insulation compared to traditional windows. This helps keep your home comfortable year-round and reduces the strain on your HVAC system. Multi-layered glass technology. Covington windows feature double or triple pane glass with gas-filled spaces between the layers, which significantly reduce heat transfer. During the summer, they help keep cool air inside, and in the winter, they prevent heat from escaping. Low E coatings. Many Covington windows come with low E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating and cooling, and ultimately lowering your energy needs. By choosing Covington windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home while also saving money on your utility bills. Improved curb appeal and aesthetic value. The aesthetic appeal of your home is one of the most noticeable aspects for both residents and visitors. Covington windows are designed to complement any home style, from modern to traditional, ensuring that your home's exterior looks fresh, updated, and stylish. Variety of styles and finishes. Whether you're interested in double-hung, casement, bay, or picture windows, Covington windows come in a wide range of styles to suit your specific needs. You can choose windows that reflect your home's architectural style and enhance its overall aesthetic. Customization. Covington windows offer a variety of finishes and colors, allowing you to choose the perfect option to match your home's exterior. Whether you prefer classic wood finishes, vinyl options, or fiberglass frames, there's a style to suit every home. New windows, particularly those from Covington, can completely transform the look of your home, boosting its curb appeal and giving it a fresh, updated look. Increased security. When it comes to protecting your family and belongings, your windows play a crucial role in maintaining home security. Covington windows are designed with durability and security in mind. Impact-resistant glass. Many Covington windows feature laminated or impact-resistant glass, which makes them stronger and more resistant to breakage compared to traditional windows. This added strength provides an extra layer of protection against break-ins or accidental damage. Reinforced locking mechanisms. Covington windows come with high-quality, secure locking mechanisms that make it harder for intruders to force their way into your home. This added security gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their windows provide a reliable barrier to potential threats. Upgrading to Covington Windows ensures that your home is better protected from the outside world, making it a safer place for you and your family. Noise reduction for a quieter home. If your home is located in a busy neighborhood or near a highway, you're probably no stranger to the constant noise pollution that comes from traffic, construction, or street activity. Fortunately, Covington Windows are designed to reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Soundproofing technology. The multi-pane glass used in Covington Windows is not only effective for insulation but also for soundproofing. By reducing the amount of noise that enters your home, these windows help create a more tranquil environment. Better quality of life. Whether you're working from home, trying to relax, or simply want a peaceful night's sleep, Covington Windows can help reduce the distractions caused by outside noise, improving your overall quality of life. Durability and low maintenance. When you install Covington Windows, you can expect them to last for many years, thanks to their durability and low maintenance features. Unlike older wooden windows, which require frequent painting and sealing, Covington Windows are built with materials that are designed to stand up to the test of time. Vinyl and fiberglass options. Covington Windows are available in vinyl and fiberglass, both of which are resistant to rotting, fading, and warping. These materials require minimal upkeep, making your windows easier to care for. Long-lasting performance. With their high-quality construction, Covington Windows require fewer repairs and can maintain their appearance for years, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Environmental benefit. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only benefiting your home but also contributing to environmental sustainability. Covington Windows are designed to reduce energy consumption, which lowers the carbon footprint of your home. Reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems means less energy consumption, which contributes to a more eco-friendly home. Conclusion. Covington Windows offer a range of benefits that make them an excellent investment for any homeowner. From improved energy efficiency and security to enhanced curb appeal and reduced noise pollution, these windows can help you create a more comfortable, secure, and aesthetically pleasing living space. Additionally, the durability and low maintenance features of Covington Windows ensure that they continue to perform well for years, saving you money and effort in the long run. Whether you're renovating your home or building a new one, Covington Windows are a smart choice that adds lasting value to your property.